Today we're drawing a flounder. Good morning. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Wednesday, April 16th at 6 a.m. The flounder, I wasn't sure on how to get it proportioned right. They're an odd-looking fish, tasty, but I don't know if I would want to catch one myself. I do love to fish, but flounders are just kind of weird looking. Getting it on paper was a little bit, I had to think about it. I had to look at a lot of flounder pictures. I had a general idea on how to get it down on paper, but wasn't 100% sure. So I looked at a lot. And this was my best interpretation that I can give you. I again went to the eyes. I do like doing the eyes close to the beginning because it helps give me a feel for what the rest of the critter, whatever I'm working on, looks like. I try and go a little light on the pencil so I can erase later once the ink dries to make sure there's no lines. I use the pencil as more of a guide for my final drawing when I ink it. So I may not go over the exact line I drew. Like with the fins, I didn't do the little curves with the pencil. I did it with the pen. So there's a lot of different ways you can start your own drawings. I'm just learning by practice and reading. I've watched a couple people doing videos, but I do enjoy getting the drawing on paper and seeing the final product. I do like making my little critters, whether they were the farm book that I've got done or this one, make them happy and welcoming, even though some of them aren't. So yeah, if you want to see my progression, I've got videos from when I first started drawing, again, after 40 some odd years, and they were pretty rough, so gives you hope. So watch some of the beginning ones. The video is not the best, and the audio is sometimes not the best, but it's all a progression. So I appreciate you sticking along with me and subscribing and watching the progress. So I've got about 7 or 8 more drawings to do before I get this book out on Amazon KDP. And after the ocean, I think I'll do African critters and see how that goes. Again, I appreciate you joining me on this journey, and nothing is AI here, so this is all hand drawn, and I appreciate your time. Here's my final drawing.